Navigating the path to weight loss can seem daunting, but it often starts with a single meal. Breakfast. This first meal of the day kickstarts your metabolism and sets the tone for your food choices throughout the day. Pakistani cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh, whole ingredients and a plethora of spices and herbs, can be an excellent choice for anyone on a weight loss journey. We'll be exploring some delicious Pakistani breakfast recipes that are not only flavorful, but also aid in weight loss. With the right recipes, breakfast can be your secret weapon for weight loss. Let's dive into some delicious and healthy Pakistani breakfast dishes. First up is Chana chaat, a popular street food dish packed with protein and fiber. This vibrant recipe is all about fresh, whole ingredients that are as flavorful as they are beneficial. You'll need chickpeas, ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, and a handful of fresh cilantro. The magic lies in the blend of spices, so don't hold back on the cumin, coriander, and tangy chaat masala. Now here's a tip to make your chana chaat even healthier: opt for boiled chickpeas instead of canned ones. It's a simple swap that can significantly reduce your sodium intake. As for the nutritional value of this dish, it's quite impressive. With a good balance of protein and fiber, chana chaat can keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime, aiding in weight loss. Plus, it's relatively low in calories, making it a smart choice for those watching their intake. There you have it, a delicious and nutritious chana chaat to kickstart your day. Next, we have two power-packed dishes, Oats upma and egg bhurji. Starting with Oats upma, a savory porridge dish, we'll need oats, a mix of your favorite vegetables, and an assortment of spices to bring out the flavors. The beauty of this dish is its flexibility. You can add any veggies you prefer, making it a colorful and nutrient-rich meal. To prepare, we'll first roast the oats, then sauté the vegetables and spices, and finally mix in the oats. The result is a hearty and filling meal, low in calories but high in fiber and protein. Now on to our next dish, the egg bhurji. This is essentially a spiced, scrambled egg dish, so we'll need eggs, onions, tomatoes, and spices. Simply sauté the onions and tomatoes, add in the spices, and scramble in the eggs. The egg bhurji is a good source of protein and is also relatively low in calories. It's a quick and easy dish to prepare, perfect for those busy mornings. Both oats, upma, and egg bhurji are great examples of how Pakistani cuisine leverages fresh, whole ingredients and a variety of spices to create dishes that are not only tasty, but also good for you. These dishes are not only flavorful, but also filled with health benefits to help you progress on your weight loss journey. We've seen how delicious and healthy a Pakistani breakfast can be. The freshness of ingredients, the rich flavors, and the balance of nutrients make these breakfast options not just tasty but also weight loss friendly. From the protein-packed chana chaat to the fiber-rich oats upma and the balanced egg bhurji, there's a variety to suit every palate. Don't forget to add whole grains, avoid sugary drinks, and include a source of protein to ensure a wholesome start to your day. Remember, a nutritious breakfast is the first step towards a healthier you. So go ahead and enjoy these weight loss-friendly breakfast recipes.